PinkSale is a popular decentralized platform used primarily for launching initial token offerings and initial decentralized exchange offerings. It provides a user-friendly interface for creating, managing, and promoting token sales, allowing projects to fundraise in a secure and transparent way. Here's how to use PinkSale. Create an account. Visit the PinkSale website at pinksale.finance and create an account by providing necessary details like your email address, creating a password, and connecting your wallet. Launch a token sale. After setting up an account, navigate to the Launchpad section. Here, you can create a new token sale. Enter details such as token name, symbol, initial supply, and select a blockchain network. Add liquidity. You will need to provide liquidity for your token by locking a portion of tokens and pairing them with a specific amount of the blockchain's native token. Configure token sale parameters. Set the details for your token sale, including token price, maximum and minimum contributions, and the duration of the sale. Ensure you comply with any regulatory requirements specific to your jurisdiction. Review and launch. Review all details carefully and make sure they are accurate. Once ready, launch the sale. Your token will be added to the PinkSale platform and marketed through its ecosystem. Community and marketing. Use PinkSale's promotional tools such as community announcements, social media campaigns, and other marketing features to attract potential investors. Receive funds. After the token sale concludes, the raised funds are distributed, and tokens are sent to contributors according to the terms set during the sale.